Did you know that the Pringles brand sells over $1.5 billion worth of chips every year? It's incredible. This success is reflected in the astounding number of cans distributed in more than 140 countries around the world. But beyond the numbers, what truly intrigues us is the mystery behind the question: are Pringles made 100% from potato? To answer that question, let's delve into one of the largest and most modern factories in the United States, where the magic happens. Step 1. Selection and preparation. It all begins with the potato, the soul of the snack, which must be rigorously selected to ensure that only the best reaches the factory. The potatoes undergo a meticulous process of washing and peeling, removing any trace of dirt or impurities. It's as if each potato is prepared to receive special treatment, given the care and attention it deserves right from the start. Next, they are fed into a pulper, a specialized machine that grinds the potatoes into a smooth, homogeneous mass. This grinding is not only essential for ensuring consistency, but also for allowing every part of the potato to blend perfectly with the other ingredients. Here, technology meets tradition to achieve the texture that distinguishes Pringles. Once ground, the mass is subjected to a dehydration process using a high-precision press that removes part of the water content. Controlling the moisture is crucial. Too much liquid and the product would turn out soft. Too little, and it might lose the lightness that makes it so irresistible. To this base, other essential ingredients are added, such as corn flour, vegetable oils, starches, and of course, salt. Each component is meticulously measured according to a secret recipe that has been perfected over decades, ensuring that the final mixture has that unique flavor and ideal texture. Step 2. The symphony of mixing and shaping. With the base ready, it's time to combine all the ingredients in a true industrial symphony. The mass is fed into a machine equipped with large rotating paddles that, at high speed, uniformly integrate every particle. During this process, constant quality checks are performed to verify that the mixture is perfectly balanced. It's like watching a chef prepare a secret recipe where every movement is calculated to achieve the perfect flavor. Once the mixture has reached ideal homogeneity, it is sent to a machine called a press. This is where the real magic happens. The mass is placed into a stainless steel mold in the shape of a half moon, which gives each sheet its unmistakable silhouette. With millimetric precision, the machine presses and cuts the mass into sheets approximately 0.7 millimeters thick, achieving the iconic shape that sets Pringles apart. During this process, offcuts and pieces that do not meet quality standards are removed. Rather than being wasted, these fragments are recycled and reincorporated into the fresh mass, demonstrating a commitment to sustainability and efficiency at every production stage. Imagine an industrial ballet in which every cut, every press, and every inspection contributes to transforming a simple mass into an edible work of art. Step 3. Cooking and cooling. Now that the sheets have been perfectly shaped, it's time to give them that final touch that turns them into the snack we all love. The process begins in a specially designed oven for pre-cooking. Here, the sheets are exposed to controlled temperatures between 100 and 120 degrees Celsius for about 40 seconds. This phase gradually reduces the moisture, preparing the mass for the next and crucial step: frying. Next, the sheets are briefly submerged in hot oil, maintained at around 190 degrees Celsius. At that moment, the mass comes to life, acquiring the characteristic crunch and the golden hue we all recognize. The combination of heat and oil transforms each sheet into a crunchy delight while maintaining a light and uniform texture. But the magic doesn't end here. After frying, the chips move on to a cooling conveyor belt where they rest, allowing their structure to stabilize and their perfect texture to be sealed. During this time, Specialized technicians carefully inspect each sheet to ensure that no irregularity goes unnoticed. This cooking and cooling process is fundamental for every Pringles chip to maintain that perfect balance between flavor and texture, allowing you to enjoy a quality snack with every bite. Step 4. The infusion of flavor. Once the sheets have been cooked and cooled, comes the step that undoubtedly awakens the senses: the addition of flavor. This is where the famous powder that makes Pringles unique is incorporated. The chips are transferred to a giant hopper where a special blend of seasonings is added. This flavor mix is a closely guarded secret, containing a precise combination of salt, spices, herbs, and in some varieties, even powdered cheese. With controlled movements and subtle vibrations, the machine ensures that each sheet is evenly coated with this magical powder. Precision is key. Visual inspections and constant quality checks are performed to ensure that the seasoning covers every inch of the chip's surface. The result is astonishing. With every bite, you experience that unmistakable and addictive flavor that not only enhances the natural taste of the potato, but also adds a special touch that distinguishes Pringles from other snacks. This step is a perfect example of how the science of flavors meets technology to create a unique culinary experience. Step 5. Packaging. With all the transformation stages complete, it's time to package the final product. A process as meticulous as the others. The perfectly seasoned Pringles sheets are distributed into the iconic cardboard tubes. Each container receives exactly 95 sheets, a figure calculated to ensure impeccable presentation and a consistent experience in every can. Packaging is done in a highly automated environment, where each tube is hermetically sealed with aluminum foil on the top lid and bottom. This sealing system protects the contents from moisture, air, and light, keeping the freshness and flavor intact until you open the can. Additionally, every tube undergoes rigorous quality control checks to ensure that the number of sheets, the integrity of the container, and the seasoning distribution are all perfect. This final process is a blend of technological precision and artisanal care, where every detail matters so that the experience of opening a can of Pringles is as satisfying as the very first bite. Automation and innovation come together to offer you a product that reflects the brand's commitment to excellence at every production stage. Step 6. Enjoying and sharing the experience. Finally, we arrive at the most anticipated moment: enjoying a delicious pack of Pringles. Imagine opening the can and seeing before you those perfectly curved sheets with a golden color and a texture that invites you to take a bite. Every bite is the result of a long and meticulous process where technology, science, and passion have combined to transform simple ingredients into an unparalleled sensory experience. Every time you enjoy Pringles, you're not just savoring a snack. You're connecting with a story full of creativity and dedication. It's time to share with friends, enjoy with family, or simply treat yourself during moments of relaxation. The experience of eating Pringles is a journey that goes from the careful selection and preparation of ingredients to the meticulous process of mixing, shaping, cooking, cooling, flavor infusion, and finally packaging that preserves all the magic of the product. It stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the desire to transform the ordinary into something extraordinary. And so concludes our journey behind Pringles. I hope you have enjoyed this special and detailed tour, discovering each stage of the process that transforms simple ingredients into that addictive snack. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave a comment, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel to keep discovering more secrets and curiosities about the world around us. Thank you for joining us, and until the next adventure.